This administration no go tolerate kidnapping or any other security wahala. Na Presido Muhammadu Buhari na talk this one. Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't talk say administration no go tolerate kidnapping or any other security wahala. He talk this one for the 11th National Security Seminar when before students of National Defense College collaborate with National Security Advisor take organize. Oga Presido talk say hand go soon meet people when they do kidnapping, especially children kidnapping for Naija.
I wish to assure Nigerians that the issue of kidnapping that has bedeviled us in the recent past is being tackled with all seriousness. We have zero tolerance for kidnapping, especially of school children, and we shall deal with such outrages decisively. The disruption of our educational system and economic activities will not be tolerated.
Oga Presido come talk say make everybody collabo for the security matter, sake of say security na everybody work.
Security is not just a military concern, but a challenge for all Nigerians. No matter the amount of money invested in military operations, without the support of the people, display of patriotism and preparedness for everyone to be ready to take ownership of securing our environment, success will be limited. Consequently, we must look beyond the military and the security agencies for enduring solutions to the security challenges we are facing.
Minister of Defense Bashir Magashi constitute mouth for the matter.
If we all join hands to keep peace, fight criminality, and provide the desired people-oriented support for the security agencies, Nigeria would be a better place for all of us.
National Security Seminar when the team now appraiser of national resilience and policy implementation in Nigeria's national security management focus for nation building, national security, and how to make sure say we get ogbonge institutions to fight the security wahala for the country.
Hopefully, the deliberations will interrogate our ability as a nation to withstand adversities and crises in diverse ways and propose a way forward to resolving our challenges.
We shall continue to support the government in its efforts to secure this country and bring peace to her citizens. We are available to assist in any task given to us by Mr. President.
Let me assure you that Mr. President is firmly committed and will go to great lengths to ensure that in line with its constitutional responsibility, security and welfare of the people shall remain the primary purpose of government. We must therefore all join hands to fight criminality and provide the desired people-oriented support for security agencies to ensure that this nation is a better place for all of us.
For the end of this seminar, people when attend go come submit one ogbonge report when go give solutions to the security wahala for we country. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.